ready for today? No. No, I am not. I am not ready for today. Wow. Hmm. Okay. Oh, I see. So that's how it works. Okay. Makes sense to me. Okay. Yeah, I see why this would be a funner day to the creator. My keyboard is sticky, and I have no idea why. Specifically, if it's space key, and I also bought this keyboard used, and that's really annoying me. You know, instead of coding in rotation, I could just copy these things, but also it's really annoying because my keyboard is sticky, and I don't think I'll be able to code when my memory is literally like press a space bar key with my thumb first, and that literally sticks the space bar down there. I think I need to find a solution. I need to figure out why first, which is annoying. But I think I know how I would solve this. I would code a program to do it for me. Is that why it's sticky? First, like a bunch of like shit in my keyboard. I $8 from me. I'm actually clean. What the fuck? This is my keyboard. Maybe if that'll help it. Oh no. I shouldn't have slept in until 5 minutes before this challenge started, you know? Would have definitely helped my chances and odds of getting on for leaderboard. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, I'm switching to my laptop. GG, that's it. I'm done with that. I'll record on my laptop. I really wish I could like use the keyboard on my laptop for this specifically, but no, I can't. I don't know what this is for. Okay. If I was ready for today, that would be like nice, but I'm not. Oh well. Okay. I guess I'll start recording on my laptop then too. Guess that's what I'm gonna do. So dumb. I could have like literally been like good at this challenge. Or maybe not. I don't know. And my laptop is also laggy. I'm not using my laptop actually. I'll use this. Fuck. Okay. I'll figure this out because I think the spacebar works here. Yep, it does. Okay. I can figure this out. Okay. So here, I'm gonna like use a replace. Rotate right equals this. Original is this, and we're gonna do ABCD, ABCHXD, GFE, okay, I'm fin. This is a right turn. do ders equals line 0. And we're gonna do sx comma sy equals 1 1, and we're gonna do like with my equals 1. Nah, we'll just do that later. Anyways, we're gonna start from we're gonna do like find pose. Do the directions td. We're doing ders. Yep, td equals 0. Ders. Remember it's ders. cd plus equals 1. Ders. Wait. cd mod equal main ders. I'm chill with that. Okay. Der equals ders. cd. If d equals rotate it right. Wait, right. Curve rotate equals rotate right. Else curve rotate equals ll. And then we're gonna do ABC D E F G H. Sx plus equals 1 if sx plus 2 equal to if or cx and range well dx. X plus dx, y plus dy. G C Y C X is equal to there's C R dy dx, and instead of we're gonna do like literally like stuff like this. I'm not dumb. Let's split lines. This A for A in we got split lines. I should have had a... I'm probably going to be slow on this, honestly. Which is okay. That's okay. And then we're going to do... no, we're going to do, original. Well, no. That's going to overwrite it. Print grid. Nah, that's the most retarded. Yeah, print grid now. Print, join. Line 59. Pour some stupid bread. Oh, right. I think it needs to be equals L. Okay, what am I doing wrong here? It's like rotating it right. That makes sense to me. I mean, it doesn't seem like it's rotating it right. Like it's doing it left, and instead of left, it's doing it right. I think I got them flopped. I definitely do think I got them flopped, but they have to run at both at the same time, so. Okay. I know why. But it's doing it right, right? Rotating it right. Yep. No. Yeah. Okay, so I did it right at first. Now, what it needs to do is okay. Now I'm doing it right, but it's not printing anything. And why is it not printing anything? That is a cool challenge. Holy crap. I was that slow? Dang. 100 times. First of all. Oh, is it just the same one? That'd be funny. Okay, so that's not a victory. That should. Oh. Huh. I'm confused on what the problem is asking. How long did it take for everything to fill up? Wow. Fast. And my spacebar is still sticky and I gotta figure out why. Cool game. Cool challenge, I mean. Cool challenge. Wow. You know I'm really dumb. Yes, it's true. And I think I'm actually supposed to change. It makes sense that I would have to. Nowhere does it say CVI. Did nothing happen there? Does this make sense at all? Why are people solving this but not this? And why am I stuck on it too? Oh. So I'm guessing it's eventually gonna be, victory. Does this mean if I did it this way? Of course I should comment this out. Else, hey, I didn't mean that. Yeah, I think I forgot to copy it. No, I didn't. Now I'm doing it right. Victory. But now I'm not doing it around the real input. Ah. Whoa, that is cool. Holy crap, it's a freaking duck. That's cool. Wow. Look at that duck. Probably gonna be too small, or like too slow. So I don't know. After all that. Hey, what the fuck? Hash. Hey, what the fuck did I do to slow it down? Oh. That makes a lot of sense. Renault loop. Oh. But sure, it's like a test for this, you know. Hey, I'm gonna need to zoom out for this. I'm gonna need to zoom out for that. Need to zoom out a lot. Nope. Yeah, let me do some testing with like a very basic thing. How about that? Hey, theoretically speaking, what if I was stupid? What if I was like genuinely stupid? Like I am right now. What if I didn't print that fucking much? Yeah, I'm fine with that. I'm just gonna print like if I'm doing that right, though. No clue. I could be doing it totally wrong. I would have no clue. Do I have any good way to test it? I guess with this input. What's funny is that this is a great example for me to do it. And loop is not detected there. Ugh. What if instead of here, I know what to do. Because instead of that, we do that. And then we do oh my gosh, I put it in the wrong place. It should be up here. No clue. Loop of length 1. That's what I'm talking about, but still seems a little confused here. No clue how I would detect a loop if it wasn't for like a spinning position. How big is he? There's no way it's that small. Wait, but it's like... Yeah, good luck doing all that. Because you're not. Million, billion, trillion. No clue, actually. I gotta really fix my spacebar. Holy fuck. Well, let's see here. How long did I take for this one? 22 minutes, wow. And the leaderboard closed off after 10 minutes, I'm guessing. Oh, the front page. Yeah. And that basically took 15 minutes, so that wouldn't have gone on there. 17 minutes, actually, if you... Like, I could, figure out the exact time I took for video editing, but yeah. I need to fix my keyboard. Why is it sticking on that side? I will never know. Honestly, maybe I should just code like this. Oh, that's terrible. Ugh. That's gonna fill up my RAM. Of course there's gonna be loops here, but Yeah, it's not gonna happen anytime soon. If I was a really good programmer, I could get on the front page of Par 3. I could, if I was a really good programmer. Like, a really good programmer. I could get on here. I could be top 20 between 11th place and 20th place. That would be cool, but I'm not sure what to do, and I'll have to think about it. I really like this challenge. It's a cool challenge. It's a cool challenge, like, honestly. I'm pretty sure he, like, shuffled it by doing it backwards from bottom right to top left, and left is right and right is left to encode it. But hell, that's cool. I really thought that you were supposed to code in, checking if these two are the same height. I thought you had to, but no, you just do it once. Which is my bad, I didn't know. Well, this repeats, but you go till the end once. And then that's your answer. I could have done this by hands. No, not really. Like, if I did, like, left, so this is 9 here. And then I move here. This is also 9, and this is 3. I would have to loop, so I can get the 3 down here. Right here, yeah. Realm allocated Mayhem more, that's cool. I like that. Literally, like, it has to be, like, within X and Y, I think. Okay, I'll have to fix my spacebar later, it's okay. I got this. No loop? No clue. How do you detect a loop? It took these guys at least 60 minutes, 23 minutes to figure it out, so it's a tricky one, I guess. cool, honestly. I liked deciphering the duck. I love that. That's really cool. Holy crap, bro. Is there anything significant about that specific value of z? I guess I don't need to print for length of loop. I just want to detect. It doesn't help that I didn't even copy it right. Or maybe if there was something wrong with my input in. I really doubt it though, because like, I guess I don't doubt too much, but still. What could this be? Much better. It's not clicking for me. What if we had no loop to detect and we just do it this way? What if we didn't print? That'd be real funny if that worked. But if I had to find individual loops for a region? Or is that just not how it works? I'll pause it. This dude started 37 minutes late and they still got 17th in part 3. It's crazy. It's insane. I just realized something. I'm gonna remove my loop code because it's bad and it's retarded. Oh my god. Anyways, we're not gonna do that. Also, I kind of got spoilered here. Yeah, I got spoilered, so... Yeah, I know exactly what I should be doing now. So now, first of all, what we're gonna do is, instead of the grid like this... we're gonna do the OG grid, and we're gonna have, that's not a Python function, right? It is, okay. If only I thought about this. Works with me. Works with me. I don't like UID. We're gonna do, that. Fuck off. Okay. Interesting way of doing it, but you'll see why I'm doing it this way. Okay. But this way we can do it much faster. If instead we rotate once, and then we can rotate twice, and then we can rotate 4 times because we know how to rotate twice. Because it's the exact same way. Instead of doing this, orig grid equals grid, and we're gonna do this once. We're gonna do that once. And for now on, we're gonna do like, instead of mapping from OO to CR, right now we're gonna have z equals 1 here. I'm gonna make it perfect. Oh god, yeah. Anyways, that's gonna be perfection. And once we do that, we have a perfect mapping to orig G and G. Map G equals G, G equals orig G. How about that? For Y in range H, for X in range width. We're just gonna do Cx and Cy equals I'm pretty sure it's map G y x and then L plus equals and then no, we want to map yeah, that's right. Brand new G equals this middle. Yeah, that's right. Why is that slower? I know why it's slower, because... That doesn't make any sense. right. Huh. Okay. Real Z. Zero. This is like the most cringe code I've wrote, but did he know that I should not be doing that? One, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. pretty sure. One, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. One, 2, 4, 8. That's 4, and that's 2 to the power of 3. What did I just do? Oh my god, bro. Okay, I think I see here. And now, if I remove this... No. I was excited. Is it close though? Is it close? That's okay with me, but oh shit. How did I do that? I want full screen. I was coding, bruh. I was coding. Okay, oh, okay. That was Alt Enter. Okay. Looks like it's closer to a duck. I have no clue. Why wouldn't that method work? Equals. What if I did z equals 0? Z is 0. How does that look? Oh shit. Oh shit. Did I lock myself out? Oh shit. How did I break it, bruh? Whatever. Z is 0. So it does twice. Let's make it 1 instead now. And it only does it instead of twice, it does it once. Okay, they are not the same. Oh, I see my issue. I didn't count this part, I forgot. And I forgot to do that, bro. Anyways, back to this. That's the thing. If it doesn't actually like transpose it as it should, then there's issues. Maybe if that was my issue all the time, I didn't have the code transpose it. Now it's transposed by 2. Bro, Z is just going to be 1 here. Because we need to transpose it first. I'll clean up the code later, but we got, like, you know, MG1. It's G. No, I don't even have to do -1 or anything. Yeah, or +1 there. Because here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to transpose it. I'm going to transpose itself by itself. That's what I forgot to do. Hey, how does it do that math? What the What am I doing? Oh god. Hey, that just doesn't transpose it. When I create the original, then I transpose it. Okay, so if that's supposed... Introducing bugs in my code is absolutely insane. Just try to get this to work. Come on, bruh. Should I rewrite from scratch? Okay. Are you telling me if there's copying issues?
I've introduced bugs. I've introduced really, really bad bugs. What the frick? Ugh. The issue is it looks exactly the same. Bro, I'm just gonna... Fuck. I'm just gonna keep undoing until it works. No. Okay. Okay. That makes sense to me. Is it dependent? Is my code dependent on fucking references, pointers and stuff? Why does it need to loop? What did I just do? You're telling me this ruins it? Oh my god. Okay. Oh shit. I just realized that that part is needed. Okay. That makes sense to me. Okay, so now that we got a perfect map representation. What? Why would that break it? Well, why does it have to be RZ plus 1 though? Sigma. Forgot the sigma. Forgot the sigma. Forgot the sigma. Okay. But of course, if I did this, it's gonna break because I didn't cut that part in yet. Because I'm like, oh yeah, that makes sense. Whatever the case is, that's horrid. Okay, yeah. Why is it 99.5? Right. Knew if that would be an issue. Okay. Yeah, because it's a multiple of 2. I understand it now. I understand now. did it, minus 1 because I did it twice. But if that was 0 and we never transposed it, we just transposed it. However, why is that slow? Oh yeah, okay. Whoa, wait. I can't do math. This method should work. Oh yeah, you can see it's a little mess up there. Okay. Hey, that's funny, so I'm not even doing anything. Oh shit. Hey, what the fuck is C at 99.75? I'm guessing it needs like one more. So that's what. Okay, that's actually making me happy. Cross my fingers. Nope. How about 3? Okay, we just subtract it by Org Z. That'd be really funny. That I just don't understand what I'm doing, but I kinda do. Nah. Oh, I think I know what it is. That would be really funny if I can actually get this working. Oh. Okay. That's what I want to see. Hell yeah. Okay, so let's do commented out. Okay, that's what I want to see. But instead of this, that's interesting. Why is it able to do that there? But now I'm confused. Hey, where's the... Okay. $28. Okay. So that's just 511 million, which I shouldn't be running there. I need a little way to optimize. I don't want to do more. Let's assume we did not do this. Like, the original one was much worse, right? Oh, I'm gonna do something really fucking dumb. We're gonna have, like... Yeah, this is really dumb, I know. And you can't be too surprised. Huh. I'm guessing 2, 4, 6, 8. I don't know. Guess MG star append MG. Basically, like the power you want to have. 2, 4, 6, 8. Wait. What is this code for? Oh, right, transposing. But why? Can we transpose here? Cool if this was 0. I'm literally trying stuff and hoping it works. Guess I could try that, but like, definitely like, that's not gonna work out. Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
sense.
Hmm. Uh. Why? Okay, so it has something to do with that. I'm pretty sure it's some sort of copying issue. It definitely is a copying issue. That's not what my ears want to hear. Cool. Yeah, I want to hear music, not like, hey, are you still here? Yes, I am still here. Thanks for asking. Oh, that's some cool visuals. Holy crap. Uh. That's like a crazy deep copy. But this might be what I need. That's weird. Oh, I see. It's like not transposing shit. Okay. This isn't even making sense to me. I could do something random, that's not gonna... Right. How does this work, though? Oh, I see. It's like transposing itself. That makes sense. Because, like, it does make sense because, like... Oh, fuck. Already at oldest change. What the fuck did I do? Did I fuck it up? Did I just fuck everything up? I don't... My eyes do not recognize my code. Oh, I opened a file. Okay, yeah. I don't think I saved it. Yeah, okay. Because it gets the points that are there and then it transposes those points. That makes sense, actually. However, I'm trying to deep copy because I'm gonna print mg 0 0. That should be a point. Yeah, it's a point. So line tuple value. Hey, why? I don't even use org-c. I don't even use that variable. Why does that fucking matter? When do I use the latest MG? I should not be using that. Ever. Oh. I don't understand why I need this code. It's like, okay, I need to do this one more time. Why? Oh, because it's like two to the power 2. Okay, so you're just doing it twice because of the way I coded it, which was a little retarded. Okay, we're gonna do z equals 0. Okay, that makes sense to me, I think. And we don't do minus equals 1 there. And we do plus 1 here, right? What the hell is B and G used for again? Beginning. What does that mean? Z is negative 28. Wow, RZ. No, that just means you don't subtract it. Yeah, that makes sense, okay. And let's do 10 instead. It's just layered. Alright. So I can delete this code, right? Yep, I can delete the code and still get the same exact results. But I can't chain him, that's a problem, right? I can't chain. I think that's a main issue, that I can't chain. Yeah, I think that's a main issue. And I don't know why I can't chain, because it would make sense if I could chain. Why can't I chain? That would be crazy. Oh, that's why. Oh, okay. What if I just did it all this way? Yeah. Z is what now? Why did that not optimize? That makes no sense to me. Oh, I didn't even do the testing. Oh. Oh. I did it. Holy crap. Wait. Holy crap, I think I did it. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Good game. Okay, I can explain how I did it. Good game. GG. Holy crap. Oh, alright. My gosh. That was insane. That was absolutely insane. My gosh. I could explain it now, but I just want to relax for like 30 seconds. Holy crap. Mm. Holy crap. Holy crap. Good game. Okay, I'll explain it. I'm gonna pause for recording and relax for a bit, and then I'll explain it. Alright, I can explain it now. I can explain how you solve this problem now. Alright, I'll explain all three parts. So, part one, for part one, you get a ASCII art that's been rotated a lot of times, basically. It's been ciphered, or I don't know specific words. Yeah, it's hidden. It's like it's not encrypted, but it's like a scrambled. You're given a scrambled input. You're given a scrambled grid, and your goal is to unscramble it. And what you're supposed to do is like from here, like starting from here, all of the elements around it, you want to rotate it left for this reference point. So 3 will go down here to here. 9 will go over here, and this arrow will go right here. And so you rotate these left, you rotate these left, you rotate these right, you rotate these right. Wait, no, I rotated the wrong way. I accidentally did right instead of left. But instead, it would be like 9 is here, the arrow is here, and 3 is here, I think, when I scroll up. Oh, it doesn't show it for that. But for this, yeah, you rotate it left, you rotate this left, you rotate this right. So if this I goes down, this thing goes up, 0 goes up. So you spell out win. And you just do that however many times here until these two arrows line up together. And if I go down here really quick and I run p1.py on test input, you can see it scrambles back to, it unscrambles back to this number. And this number is the answer, is the solution for, this is the solution to part 1. Part 2, it's the same thing, but instead of like detecting the arrows crossing, which I mean you kind of do, and anyways, like no, you don't do, because not after 99 rounds, it's this, and you don't want to detect it there. The goal is just to do 100 rounds of flipping, but the rules are changed. So you have to do all these first. Well, you have to do all these, right, left, and as soon as you get to the end, you start from the beginning, from the operations. You don't start from current position after looping. you start from the beginning. That's a change from this one, because this one it didn't matter. It might have. Well, if this is a multiple of 6, actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so it didn't matter for this one, but it did for this one. And then part 3 was, instead of doing 100 rounds, you had to do, let's see here, you had to do 1,048,576,000 rounds. And so there's a trick to doing this. Instead of simulating every single round, what I did personally is I started with like a grid used for mapping, a grid of coordinates, like at 0, 0 for 0, 0, at 2, 2 for 2, 2, at 4, 5 for 4, 5, for example. And instead of modifying for original grid, I just like moved the positions of each depending on the operations I do. And operations can multiply here. I mean, you can like multiply, like he can do 2 operations at once, or 4 operations at once, or 8 operations at once, or 1020. Wait, no. What? To power up. Yeah, 1024 operations at once. You can figure that out. So what I did is I had like a starting. What did this mean? I think it meant like modify grid once. This is to modify your grid only once, and that's for the very end when I want to finish it off and change it by once for all RZ. Actually, I want to try running p2.py really quick. Yep, that's p2.py. And it looks like that. It's really epic. Wait, why does it... How does it get the right input? I forgot, actually. I did a lot of stuff. And then for part 3.py, which is this, it unscrambles it. I can show you, like, after running it. It starts... I forgot that... So you didn't have to, like... You didn't have to write this part. I did, so you can use any amount of rounds. It doesn't have to be a multiple of 2. Here, it is a multiple... Capital M. It is a multiple of 2. This number is 2 to the... Oh, not exactly, but I mean, if you divide this number by 2, you'll learn that... Oh, wait, I don't think that's actually true. No, it is. So you don't actually have to do this. And you wouldn't have to do this anyway, because in here there's MG1 applied to this thing. I'm not explaining what this does. It basically... I calculate basically what would I have to change all the coordinates by if I rotate everything once and then twice. But I'm going to elaborate more. That's confusing. What if I started with this? A, B, C, H, X... Okay, I can actually copy that from here, actually. Okay. And, here we go. So if we want to rotate this once, it's going to be... rotate... Do I want to do right or left? Right is more simple. If I rotate this once to the right, it would be this. Yeah, we rotate it once, but if we rotate it twice, we can take this grid and then rotate it again. And it would be... I guess I could do it by hand. I could literally like have my script do it, but that's like pointless to like show how it works. It would be G, H, A, F, X, B, and then E, D, C, right? I think that's right. Yeah, I think that's right. So you rotate this twice, and you get this. But here's the kicker. If you want to skip, or if you don't want to rotate it 3 times, but instead of rotate it 4 times instantly, you just map this from here to here. So like, the A here becomes the C here. Well, no, the C here becomes the C here. So, is that right? How did I do it? It made it sense in when I did it. And I know how it works, I'm just, dumb right now, I guess. So instead of rotating this by this, like mapping A to A, you map A to A. So you map it instead. No, I understand. You map this to this, and so you map this to this. So the position of A here is A to A. No. That's no. Yeah. Wait. Let's go backwards. So how did I do it? So I would rotate C to E here, and that makes sense here because like, that's how I did it. Okay, so I look at A, and A is at 0, 0, right? So I go to 0, 0 here, and 0, 0 should be at G, and G here is no, that's not how I did it. No. A here is a 2, 0, and if I look back here, A will now be C, and that's how it works here when you rotate that by that. And that's how I rotated it that many times. From this to this. But now I want to do it multiply again. I want to transpose it. So you take 2, 0, and that's to go backwards, so I don't want to go backwards. I don't want to go back to where I started because that's pointless, and that's not going to get me anywhere. Okay, let me look at what I did. How did I code it with like 0 help and get it working, and now I can't even explain it? That's very funny. Yeah, you transpose it by its position. You look at like what's there at like, for example, 0, 0, and for example, oh, this is actually G, and you look at okay, what was at G, if a position G, and here it's G originally was at here. And now you look up here, now G will become E. No, that's going backwards. I don't understand how I got it working now. It just works because it does. I don't know. I use magic. Using magic wand to do this, and I don't actually understand how I did it. I don't know. That doesn't make me smart, though. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, so you... Oh, I see how I did. Okay, that makes sense. So you take a look at 0, 0. A goes over here. 0, 0 becomes 0, 2. So G becomes from 0, 0 to 0, 2. And G is now here. Yahoo. Let's just have nothing on these right now. And now you look at H. You look at B, and B is now here, and H now goes here. You see how you rotate it 4 times instantly, and it's like O of n time. I really shouldn't be using phrases like "oh" of in time. I understand what it means. It makes sense to me, but it doesn't make sense in explaining it. It doesn't make it any easier to understand if you don't know those terms. I'm gonna explain it in a normal way, but instead of rotating it, having to rotate 2 times to rotate it 2 more times, you rotate it 1 time to rotate it 2 times. And if you want to rotate it 4 times out of that, since you have a 4 times rotated thing, you have to rotate it once to rotate it 4 times instead of rotating it 4 times. So instead of rotating it 8 times, you rotate it 4 times. Or 2, well no, you rotate it 3 times. 2 to the power of 3 to get 8. And you look at A, it's like, oh. You look at A, oh, A is here. And then you rotate A down here. It's very nice. It's very easy to look it up. But instead of doing these letters, I do actual points here. And now for this row, F here, no, wait. Yeah. The H, yeah, you look at this position, H goes down up here. So now you put F up here. You just do all of these rotations to rotate it twice in a row. Because F here comes up here, so D goes there. And it's all that stuff, all that fun stuff. And once you do it 8 times, this will loop. This will actually loop back here. But you can see, hey, what's at this position? E. E. And this would actually have an actual coordinate. As it would have 2, 2 instead of E. And you would look at 2, 2 here, and it would be an A, and A goes here. So this loops around back here. But when you have a more complex thing, this is why it matters when it says for part 2. It says that's why this part is important. Each time you start from a top left rotation point, and each time you restart, you start from this point, and you start from the beginning of the message key sequence. So you restart from the beginning of a message key sequence, and this is important for this problem because this optimization would be impossible without this. So yeah, unless the message key sequence is the length of it is the width by the height of a grid. Then, width minus 1 multiplied by the height minus width minus 2 multiplied by the height minus 2 of a grid. That's when optimization will work. If this wasn't the case, but we use that case to transpose it. So we do 1 round, then 2 rounds, then 4 rounds, then 8 rounds after doing it 4 times. So if we do it once, we have 1 round. After we do it twice, we have 2 rounds. After doing it 3 times, we got 4 rounds. After doing it 4 times, we have 8 rounds, and we just get it exponential. We got next will be 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. Whatever is out of that 512, which will be 2 power of 9, and then it will be that. And it keeps going on until you get the colossal number. You get bigger than this colossal number, which I don't know what it actually is. But this number is probably bigger than this colossal number. It is. So you get to 2 to the power of 30. Now you have 30 instances of the transpose grid. And then after that, we go, yeah, this is, wait, where's the code? Yeah, this is this is a code that transposes the grid. And it stores the transposed grids in the in this array MGS, which stood for I don't know, change grid. I forgot what it stood for. But you have that, and then while you have value for the rounds, Z is rounds in this case. You calculate the power of 2, the logarithm of that, so you know you can do 2 to the power 7 times. So you're like 2 to the power 7, for example, 7. It would be 7, you do it 128 times, but it's probably going to be 2 to the power of 29 that you do it. And then you remove 2 to the power of 29 from this, and you do the optimization here where you do this humongous number of rounds instantly, like basically instantly, very fast. You just do it, you just loop for the width and height of the grid, and then you transpose it, so it's instant, doing this many rounds, which is insane. And you just do that until RC is 0, and then you get the grid. You subtract that off, and you keep subtracting until it's 0. And that's how I did it, and that's how I solved it. And if I was solving it, I would just copy that, paste that here, and then submit it, and good game. And that would be the end of it, and solve it. That's what I did. And yeah, that's how I solved it. I didn't explain it very well. I didn't explain how I did this part, like if I go to part 1. I didn't explain how I originally rotated it. I basically just copied rotation stuff here, so I wouldn't have to code rotation myself, and I just mapped this to this, or this to this. And that's very simple to do. You just look it up, basically. You just store the grid values, not the coordinates, but grid values, and then you look it up here to transpose. And this works because, like, basically you're changing the A here to a dot if the dot is on the grid, and then eventually change this A to a dot. If that's because it's a dictionary, right? So I explained it exactly right. It changes this A to C if that was a C, and then changes this A to a C, and that's how you rotate it. And then it gets more complex and more optimized when I do this. I still rotate it in that way, but I rotate all of it once, and you have a mapped grid of once. You got a transpose 1 round, and then you calculate transpose of 2 rounds, 4 rounds, 8 rounds, 16 rounds, 1 million rounds, or whatever that humongous number is. And it's very fast, it's very neat, and yeah, that's how I solved it. Thank you for watching. I doubt anyone is watching this, but if you are, thank you for watching. Leave a comment down below if you're watching. I don't think anyone's watching, but yeah, thank you for watching.